Hey, Bill Hennessy here. This is not going to go smooth. I can tell you right now. But I just received something that I ordered 9 months ago. I don't know. It was ages ago. Um, and I received it, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing experience to maybe inspire other people to consider Jeremy's Razors. So, Jeremy's Razors was started by the Daily Wire after Harry's Razors canceled Michael Knowles. Anybody who knows who Michael Knowles is, great guy, top shelf, best people you could ever hang around with. But Harry's Razors didn't want to hang around with him. And we also know that, what is it, the Dollar Shave Club, whatever, they got bought by the communists over in Europe. They make Nivea, Unilever. Yeah, Unilever. They're a communist organization. You don't want to buy their stuff. So that left us with Daily Wire. And I don't know, months ago, Daily Wire announced this new Jeremy's Razors, which would be the alternative to Harry's. But they didn't ship for a long time. So I ordered right away, and I got the founder's kit or something like that. And it arrived today, and I've already opened it. So, full disclosure, I don't want to give the impression this is like a real unboxing where I have no idea what's inside. I've already been through it. So, but it might be interesting for the neophytes out there to see what it's like to get your first order of Jeremy's Razors. So here we go. So I'm going to open the box. Surprise! Everyone acts surprised. And inside is this wonderful travel kit that allows you to take the Jeremy Razors wherever you go. And when I open this up, I immediately am presented with a brilliant description of several kinds of men, which I don't know about you, but I don't know how to describe certain men. So this is a very handy guide. So we have the lowercase, the Knowles, the, what does that say? The worship leader, the worship leader. Come on, that's spot on. The musketeer, the old Salvador, the boy band, right here. See that? The boy band. Anyway, this is a very handy way of describing men. Basically, men who have facial hair, because if you don't have facial hair, you probably don't. So I wouldn't be on this list because I don't have facial hair. I skip shaving now and then, but I don't really wear facial hair, so whatever. It has handy instructions on the back right there, as you can see what that says. If we can both see it. Warm water, apply Jeremy shaving cream conservatively or liberally, shut up and shave. Pretty much covers it. And then their little tagline, because some people are just too hairy. That's number one. Then we get this post-shave balm, which I'm taking out of the pack at exactly the wrong order because you don't use the post-shave balm until you've already used the pre-shave balm. But you get both of these in disproportionately sized containers. I'm assuming that you need more of this than you do of this. Or maybe they just want you to reorder this before you have to reorder this. I don't know. But we'll find out tomorrow when I invite you into my bathroom while I shave. Inside, we get this beautiful container. Let's have the whole experience. So we get this nice little box. Jeremy's on the front. You see that? You can read that, right? For those of you in blue states, that says Jeremy's. And razors in very small print. And then we open up inside, and it says "Shut up and shave." And we have the wonderful. And this is a very significant handle. It's not like Harry's razors where you're not sure if it's in your hand or not because it only weighs about a quarter of an ounce. This is a substantial piece of metal. You'll know you're shaving when you're using the Jeremy's, and then this nice assortment of beautiful razors that go onto the handle that shave your face. Quite a nice presentation overall, and I suggest you get it for yourself or for the people in your life. You also get this set of stickers that says IHateHarrys.com. I think I'm going to put this bottom one, on the Jeep tonight. I've had kind of an army green Jeep. I think that one will look good. Actually, I might put all 4 of these on in different places, so maybe one on each side, front, back, left and right, and we can cover that whole thing. And then we have this beautiful warning card here. Some just advice: change razor blade every 5 to 7 shaves. Remember, we can't say we love you, but we don't mean you any specific harm. And then on the other side, keep out of reach of children. Probably good advice. Unless you're the kind of man who teaches his daughter to shave her beard. But seriously, keep out of reach of children. So clearly this is not for families who aren't sure what sex their children are. If you know you have a son or a daughter, one of each, 2 of each, some other mixture, that's great. If you have children, but you're not sure whether they're male or female, you probably ought to go to Harry's. They'll take care of you. They'll send you razors that actually don't shave, but it won't upset your daughter who thinks she's a guy. That's the unboxing of my wonderful, wonderful Jeremy's razors right here on Hennessy's View. If you need a razor, if you have to shave, and you don't want to give money to evil communists who kill children, which Harry's and Unilever do, then Jeremy's is your option. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.